Welcome back to Factful Finance, where we break down the most powerful ways to build wealth. In today's video, we're diving into part 2 of a game-changing series, the best AI business models and income streams for beginners. If you're thinking about how to make money with AI but aren't sure where to start, this video is your map to financial freedom. Let's jump right in. Did you know that AI is expected to generate over $15 trillion in global economic value by 2030? That's a huge opportunity. But how do you get in on the action, especially if you're just starting out? Today, I'm going to show you the AI income streams that are not only lucrative, but also beginner-friendly. Now, before we dive into the specifics, let me remind you, this content is for educational purposes only. We're exploring real ways to build wealth with AI, but always make sure to consult a certified financial professional for personalized advice. Okay, let's talk AI business models that anyone can tap into. No advanced technical skills required. First up, AI-powered content creation. Here's a golden opportunity. Content generation is in high demand. From blog posts to social media captions, businesses are looking for tools to help them scale up their output. You could start by offering AI-generated content as a service. Platforms like Jasper and Copy.ai are making it easier than ever to create high-quality content in minutes. But here's the kicker. Charge clients a premium for the convenience and speed AI provides. Imagine running a freelance service that leverages AI to craft content for multiple clients daily. Your earning potential is practically limitless. Next, let's talk AI-driven affiliate marketing. Here's how it works. You leverage AI tools to analyze market trends, predict consumer behavior, and optimize your website for high-converting affiliate links. Think of it as setting up a machine that works 24/7 to bring in commissions while you sleep. Tools like Rank Math and Surfer SEO can help you refine your content to rank higher on search engines, making your affiliate links more visible. Now let's take a look at a real-life example. Meet Sophia. Sophia was new to affiliate marketing, but after using AI to optimize her blog and track consumer trends, her monthly affiliate earnings skyrocketed to over $3,000 within 6 months. The key? Automation and the power of AI analytics. That could be you. Now here's something you might not have thought of. AI in e-commerce automation. Using AI to manage your dropshipping or print-on-demand business can free up so much of your time and significantly increase your profits. AI tools can predict trends, automate order fulfillment, and personalize marketing to your customers. Think about how much time and money that can save you. As you scale, AI will work behind the scenes, keeping the business running smoothly while you focus on growth. For those of you interested in AI-based consulting, there's a real gap in the market. While many businesses know they need AI, they don't have the expertise to implement it. That's where you come in. With a basic understanding of AI tools and how they can streamline business processes, you can step into the role of a consultant. Whether it's advising small businesses on how to integrate AI into their operations, or teaching them how to automate certain processes, this is a high-value service that will only continue to grow in demand. Let's not forget about AI in digital art and design. Platforms like Artbreeder or DeepArt allow creators to generate unique, high-quality visuals in a matter of minutes. Whether you're into graphic design or digital art, you can sell your creations on platforms like Etsy or Teachable, offering custom designs for businesses looking to brand themselves uniquely. So, let's recap the most accessible AI income streams. 1. AI-powered content creation for businesses. 2. AI-driven affiliate marketing using SEO tools and analytics. 3. AI-powered e-commerce automation to streamline your online store. 4. AI consulting for businesses looking to integrate AI solutions. 5. AI in digital art and design for creators. These aren't just theoretical ideas. They are proven, actionable methods that beginners can tap into right now. I know it might feel intimidating to dive into the AI space, but trust me, the tools are out there, and they are designed to be user-friendly. If you're ready to take action, start by choosing one model that speaks to you the most and begin experimenting. You'll be amazed at how quickly you can start seeing results. Which of these AI income streams is most exciting to you? Drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts and help guide you as you get started. And if you found this video valuable, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss the next video in this series. We're just getting started with AI, and you won't want to miss the next breakthrough. Want to continue learning about how to turn AI into a full-fledged income stream? Check out the video on screen now. You're going to want to see this.